Assalamu alaikum, Ahmed Khalid. Differential equations. Question number 2, assignment 1. It is this question over here. X, y, y dash plus x plus y squared equals 0. Find the special integrating factor and solve. How do you do that? How do we do that? Let's find out. Let's do it. So, let's write down the equation first. xy dy over dx plus x plus y squared equals to 0. Let's group things that are similar together. Let's put the x and the xy over here, and let's take that negative y squared. So x y dy over dx plus 1. And let's do this. xy dy plus x plus y squared dx. There was a dx over here, but we multiplied by the whole thing over here, so this got removed because we multiplied by dx. We multiplied by dx over here. So, good so far. And then we do partial m over partial y of the x plus y squared this is m. It's better to actually write them first and the n later. This would equal, just give me a sec. We would just highlight the y. So this is equal to y, and a sigma n or sigma x of x plus y squared. We would just highlight the x, so it would equal to 1. So 2y does not equal to 1, so we have to figure out what the term would be. How we do that is very simple. What we do is, we do this equation. We use this equation over here. Partial m over partial y minus partial n over partial x over n. This would mean partial m over partial y is 2y, and partial n over partial x equals to, actually this is x, this is xy, this is not that, so it's gonna be just y. So it's gonna be 2y minus y over n. N is equal to xy. This would equal y 2 minus 1 over xy. So this would equal 1 over x. And then what we do is we find I equals e over 1 over x, which is the term we just found from here. This would equal dx e to the ln x. So e to the ln would cancel it. We would end up with x, which is the integrating factor. And this would mean that the question is solved. Yeah, so if you look at the equation here, what they did first, they did the same, sigma m over sigma y, sigma n over sigma x, and then sigma y, m over sigma y minus sigma n over sigma x over n equals to 1 over x, and then over there they got the x, and then they went to find c by plugging in, and this would be it for this question.